Hi there and welcome to the Ukestuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of Just Like You by NF. Now before we begin with the video, first of all I just want to remind you if you'd like to support this channel, there are a couple things that you can do. First of all, you can like the video. That would help it in the searches of YouTube's algorithm. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, if you ever want to make a donation to this work, buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you, you can do that at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. Now, what we're going to do in this tutorial is, first of all, we're going to look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Then we'll talk about the chords you need for DGBE baritone ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming. And just sort of as a forewarning, the strumming's pretty basic on this one, which makes it a lot of fun to play. So let's begin with the chords that we need for soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is a vintage Lisa ukulele made by the Fender or Finder company. I recently reviewed this on this channel as well if you want to see the full review for this instrument. It is a plastic ukulele made between 1950 and 1960 in San Diego, and it's all styrofoam plastic. It even has plastic tuning pegs, and it still works as an instrument today. All right, now let's take a look at the chords you need. The first chord is the D minor chord. Just as a reminder, the D minor chord is just an F chord with another finger. Then move one finger over and let the other one go, and you get the A chord. Then let one more finger go, and you get the A7 chord. And then the hardest of these four is the G minor chord. So what you need to do is put your first finger on the first string, first fret, second finger on the third string, second fret, and third finger on the second string, third fret, G minor chord. And those are the four chords you need to play Just Like You on soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. All right, now let's take a look at the chords you need to play Just Like You on baritone DGBE ukulele. The first chord is a D minor chord. First finger on the first string, first fret, second finger on the third string, second fret, third finger on the second string, third fret. The next chord is the A chord. All right, the next chord is the A7 chord, and it's a bar chord, but it's not that bad. Not that easy, but not that bad either. So take your first finger, lay it across all four strings right above the second fret, and then pull against the fretboard. That's the secret here. If you pull against the fretboard and are holding the ukulele securely, you should get a nice sound even without using your thumb. However, you're not going to leave your thumb dangling out there. You're actually going to put it behind the neck and give yourself a little extra support, which means that if you're pulling against the fretboard and supporting a little bit with your neck, you're going to get a super clear sound. And then with your second finger, you're going to play the second string, third fret, while still barring the second fret. That's your A7 chord. And then the final chord you need is the G minor chord, very close to this one. It's another bar chord, but what you're going to do is slide up to the third fret and just bar strings 1, 2, and 3, leaving string 4 open. And those are the four chords you need to play Just Like You on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now, as it comes to strumming, I think the answer here is very basic. It's one strum on every chord, and you'll hear it as it goes. Now, in these situations, I use my thumb to strum the chord because it gives some added strength above my finger. The thumb has a much stronger single strum. So that's what I do. Now, just as a reminder, this song did not have any ukulele in the original version. So if you hear something different, go ahead and play that. But this is sort of how I hear it. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it goes back. Now, there are a couple situations where there is a stop sign that tells you not to play that chord. Just follow those and you'll be good to go. It's a really fun song to play with and a great progression in a minor key. Always leading you back home to D minor. All right, so with those chords And with that one strumming pattern, that's all you need to do to be successful on Just Like You by NF. All right, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.